Hey everyone, how you doing today? It's me, David, coming to you from my whiskey den here in Central Ohio. Today we are going to try this Buffalo Trace Distillery Mash Bill #1 White Dog. What is this, you may ask? This is bourbon before it goes into the barrel. So you take the distilleries will take their grains, add water, they'll ferment it, it'll become like a beer, then they distill it, which means that they'll heat it up, and then the steam from the heating up goes through a copper pipe or however it is nowadays and drips into a tank, let's just say a tank. Then that becomes this. Then they take this and they put it in newly charred oak barrels and they let it sit in the barrels for however many years they want to. So this will become, because it's the same mash bill, this becomes Benchmark. This becomes Old Charter. Make sure the Old Charter. This becomes, well, I got Benchmark Small Batch. We got Colonel E.H. Taylor right there. We've got Eagle Rare. And we've got Buffalo Trace Bourbon. So this, after it's aged in barrels, will become any one of these. Same mash bill. Let's put these back where they belong. And I bought this White Dog at the Buffalo Trace Distillery a couple of years ago. It's been sitting on my shelf, and I've been kind of dwelling if I want to do a video trying it, and I figured now's the time. Let's try it out. They do not disclose the mash bill. The only thing I know, it's mash #1. It's corn, rye, and malted barley. This is 125 proof. And this is a 375 milliliter bottle. And here goes nothing. I think at the distillery, this cost me about, I want to say $30. Could have been $25. I have never had a White Dog. This is my first time. I don't even know if I should kind of like let it sit in a glass past the neck pour and let it air a little bit. This is going to be the strongest alcohol I have ever had. I think the strongest up till now was the Wild Turkey Rare Breed. I think that's 118 proof. Anything. So this raw distillate is clear, unaged, and has a hint of sweet corn. Well, I already poured it into the glass. This is, I told you what I know of the mash bill. Unaged. There's no age statement because it's unaged. So, man, it smells like sweet corn to me, only alcoholic. Let's see what we got. Here goes nothing. I'm kind of scared to try it, but here goes nothing. Again, and plus, now I have had unaged alcohol before, like vodka is not aged. You distill that vodka, you put it right in the bottle, it's not aged. It smells really sweet. Here we go. it evaporated off my tongue. It's interesting. You know, it's like, to me, vodka tastes like rubbing alcohol. This has a little, it's sweet. It's corn sweet up front, but then it's really bitter on the back of my throat. I'm getting a little ache in the back of my head. This is, it's weird. It's, man, it just tastes raw. I think what I'm going to do is pour this. You know what? Where is it? I'm going to do this. I've got these charred oak staves. And I've used these. These came from the Bootlegger's Distillery down in, I should speak up because sometimes I notice that the volume on these videos is not that great. Anyway, it tastes, okay, recap. Tastes raw, has a sweetness on the front, like a corn sweetness. And it's got a bit of a bitterness on the back of the throat. So what I'm going to do is take these oak staves. I got these are charred oak staves. Got these at the Bootlegger's Distillery down in Tennessee. I'm going to age it in the bottle. Oops. No. No, I'm not that bad off. And I'm going to let it sit and see what happens. What I might actually do, because this might take a while to age, what I might do is just get some, I have these bourbon barrel oak chips down here. I gotta grab a blowtorch, char these up a bit. I'll put this White Dog in a mason jar, and we'll accelerate that aging a little bit more. So we'll check back in, but what I'm going to leave this video as it is for now. We're going to do a part 2, which will be the aged White Dog, and see where it's at. I will probably, and then I might just compare it to one of the bourbons that this mash bill comes from. So there you go. There you go. So until next time, it's me, David, coming to you from my whiskey den here in Central Ohio. This stuff was pretty harsh. It's not something I'm going to be enjoying with a steak or prime rib or rib dinner anytime soon. We'll see how it turns out. Stay tuned for part 2, the aging experiment on this. I'll recap with you in that video as far as what I've done. And we'll see how it goes. All right? So, again, next pour, best pour. Catch you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Hey everyone, if you like what you see, please like and subscribe so you can be notified of future videos as they drop. Thanks for watching.